welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm very excited to be showing you how to sew a V-neck lacy top. I saw a top similar to this on my Pinterest and I just had to sew one because I thought it was so pretty. This project is probably a bit more complicated but still manageable for the beginner. For this project, you're going to need some fabric, matching thread, and lace. For the fabric, it's best if it's a stretchy fabric. Cut out the following pieces. To start off, sew the two front pieces together at the center seam. Sew a gathering stitch along the top edge of the two rectangles. Gather the top edge of the two rectangles so that each rectangle at the top edge measures 1/2 your under bust measurement. Sew the lace on top of the gathered edge of the rectangles, making sure the pretty side of the lace is facing inward. Take out the gathering stitches in the rectangles. Take the front piece and gather the bottom edge. Sew the front piece right sides together to the top edge of the rectangle. Take out the gathering stitches. Gather the second rectangle and pin it together to the back piece, making sure it's right sides together. Sew with the lace sandwiched in between the two pieces, again making sure the pretty side is facing inward. Once again, make sure you remove the gathering stitches. Pin and sew the front and back sides together at the side seams and at the shoulder seams. Hem the armhole by folding the fabric in by 1/4 of an inch and then in by 1/4 of an inch again. Sew the hem in place. Hem the neckline by folding it in by 1/4 of an inch and then 1/4 of an inch again. Add the lace to the back side, making sure that the pretty side is peeking out a little bit, and then sew the lace and the hem in place. Hem the bottom edge by folding it up by 1/4 of an inch and then up by 1/4 of an inch again and sew in place.